What's hot in the Kitsilano single-family market for August 2019? The Vancouver Westside single-family market continues to favor buyers, but Kitsilano is different. Kitsilano is in what we call a balanced market. We're in a market not favoring buyers, not favoring sellers. We're balanced right now. 5 homes sold in Kitsilano last month. The least expensive home sold for $2 million. And this would have bought you a 72-year-old home on a 33-foot wide by 112-foot deep property right at Waterloo and 15th Avenue. The most expensive home sold for $3.8 million. This one was located on 14th Avenue, right near Burrard, about a block in from Burrard Street on 14th Avenue. And this would have bought you, again, a very old home, a 106-year-old home. This one was renovated, and it was on a 50-foot wide lot by a 125-foot deep lot. So a nice big lot right near Burrard on 14th Avenue. 34 homes were available in Kitsilano last month, so to have 5 of them sell, again, puts us in a balanced market. 15% of the homes sold, and the real estate board defines a balanced market when anything between 14 and 20% of the homes sell in a given month. So we're right on the edge of what we call a balanced market. Very close to a buyer's market, but still we're just nudging into what we call a balanced market. Sold values in Kitsilano are around $2.1 million for your median price for a typical detached home. When you look at the rest of the Vancouver West Side, the median price is right around $3 million, so around $900,000 less in Kitsilano when compared to the Vancouver West Side single-family market as a whole. If you'd like to take a look at these 5 homes that sold last month, I've got them all laid out on an area map. I've got the sold price versus the list price. And again, feel free to click on the link above or below if you'd like to take a look at these 5 properties that sold. My name is David Setton with Oakwyn Realty and Answers in Real Estate, and I specialize in selling and marketing homes in the Vancouver West Side. And if you'd like to reach me, you can contact me anytime at 604-808-9796. And as always, thank you so much for listening today.